Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change the voice on Google Maps. We will guide you through the simple steps to personalize your navigation experience. Google Maps offers several language and accent options, allowing you to choose the voice that suits you best. However, it is important to note that while you can select from many pre-installed voices, you cannot upload a custom voice file directly into the application. We will cover accessing settings, finding voice options, and selecting your preferred voice, ensuring a clearer, more enjoyable journey. To begin, launch the Google Maps application on your smartphone or tablet. Once the app is open, you will see your profile picture positioned in the upper right-hand corner of the display. Give that a tap, and a menu will expand downwards. From this list, scroll down just a bit, and then simply select the Settings option. This takes you directly to the comprehensive settings menu for your Google Maps app, where we will find our next step. Now that you are in the main settings menu, your next step is to find navigation settings. This specific category governs how Google Maps provides directions and audio cues during your travels. Tap on navigation settings to open up its dedicated options. Once inside, you will easily spot the voice selection option, usually nested under a larger sound and voice heading. This is where the magic happens, giving you the power to choose your preferred navigation voice from the available options. Upon tapping voice selection, you will see a comprehensive list of available voices and languages. Take your time to scroll through these options, as some languages might offer multiple accent choices, providing even more personalization. To preview a voice, simply tap on it, and Google Maps will play a short sample for you. Once you have found the perfect voice for your journeys, tap to select it, and the application will automatically implement your new voice for all future navigation directions. It is a quick and satisfying change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.